Hi, my name is Lamia, and in today's video we're diving into some of the most promising low-cap AI crypto projects that could potentially explode in value. Imagine gains of 10x, 50x, or even 100x. If you're into cutting-edge technology and potential moonshot, you don't want to miss this. Stay tuned until the end to discover our top picks. Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing our world, but it requires immense processing power. GPUs provide this power, but giant companies are buying it up, making it scarce and expensive. This is where crypto comes in. Blockchain technology decentralizes processing power, making it more accessible and affordable. By using blockchain, AI projects can tap into a global network of computers. Participants share their unused computing power and earn cryptocurrencies in return, creating a decentralized cloud computing system. Did you know that in Europe, the lack of high-performance computing HPC data centers forces companies to outsource supercomputing needs to the US, causing security concerns, latency issues, and high costs? Solidus AI Tech is my top pick. They are addressing Europe's HPC shortage by building a cost-efficient facility in Bucharest. This facility provides local, secure, and access to supercomputing resources, reducing reliance on the US, minimizing security and latency issues. Bucharest offers high-speed internet, low electricity costs, and strong intellectual property protection, making Solidus AI Tech solution affordable, secure, and sustainable. Not only that, AI Tech are part of NVIDIA Inception program. For those unfamiliar, NVIDIA Inception is a program designed to nurture startups, revolutionizing industries with advancement in AI and data science. Being part of this program gives AI Tech access to valuable resources, expertise, and potentially game-changing technologies. Now, this is the best part. AI Tech has made several exciting announcements on their X accounts, indicating three major upcoming developments. First, AI Marketplace MVP release in June, connecting AI models, developers, creators, and users. Second, GPU Marketplace, allowing users to rent GPU power. And third, eco-friendly HPC data center that I mentioned earlier will launch in July, offering sustainable HPC power, and that's why, in my opinion, this project will explode. Now moving on to ChainGPT. ChainGPT is an advanced AI model designed specifically for blockchain technology and crypto-related tasks. It offers a range of functionalities including smart contract developments, blockchain analytics, and AI-based trading. ChainGPT aims to simplify the complexities of blockchain technology, making it more accessible to developers and businesses. ChainGPT also serves as a launchpad incubator, supporting and nurturing new blockchain projects to drive innovation in the crypto space. A key feature of ChainGPT is its ability to provide real-time data and insights, helping traders and investors making informed decisions. Next up, AIT Protocol is designed to integrate artificial intelligence AI with Internet of Things device, creating a seamless ecosystem where AI can control and optimize IoT operations. For those who don't know, IoT stands for the Internet of Things, a network of interconnected devices that can communicate with each other over the internet. Imagine your home as a smart house where appliances like your refrigerator and light can talk to each other, sharing information and making adjustments automatically to improve efficiency and convenience. This protocol aims to enhance the efficiency and functionality of IoT devices by providing real-time data processing and decision-making capabilities. By integrating blockchain technology, AIT Protocol ensures the security and transparency of data exchanges within the IoT network. AIT Protocol stands out as a bridge between AI and big data, offering decentralized solution that makes AI and data analytics more affordable and accessible. Their innovative platform provides opportunities for users to contribute to big data analytics, earn platform tokens, and participate in the future of decentralized machine learning. AIT Protocol also offers job opportunities, emphasizing its commitment to growth and expansion. It operates as a subnet of BitTensor, focusing on the intersection of AI and blockchain to deliver robust decentralized AI service and analytics. Another big hitter, Delysium or AGI. is an AI-driven project in gaming and virtual reality. It creates immersive virtual world using AI and blockchain technology, providing a dynamic and responsive gaming experience. And let's not forget about Alephium. Alephium addresses scalability and security issues in blockchain technology with a novel consensus algorithm called block flow. This improves transaction throughout and reduces latency, supporting high-performance decentralized application and integrating seamlessly with AI and machine learning processes. And there you have it, a 5 AI lockup project with promising opportunities for growth and innovation. Please share your favorite AI crypto in the comment below and see you in the next one.